generally, no, salamat sa Diyos, medyo the entire city is passable. But maraming area na flooded, but it's still passable. Yung mga major thoroughfares, ayos naman. Passable din sila. But the thing is, we continue to, in our own little way, really address this Taft Avenue issue. At napatunayan na namin yung duda namin last week na yung mga malaking drainage makabarado. And true enough, the other night, I think some of you were there also. Tinira namin ng gabi. Nakita talaga namin yung burak. So, walang desiltation nangyayari for so long. So, importante, after knowing it, now we're doing dire-diretso hanggang doon sa Nakpin. Best effort na makuha namin yung human load. So far, ang dami talaga na kukuha buhangin, urak, pati-parti ng kotse. Yung mga, yung kapalodo ba yun? Oo, nakita natin nga. So, I think, simple TL sila. Under gravity. Simpleng maintenance lang. Ang haring nakaligtaan po. So, is this going to answer na mawala na ba? Hindi po. Ang talagang kailangan natin general plan on how to address flooding. Lalo na yung mga pumping station, mga bagong hindi gumagana. Kasi ang gumagana ngayon yung sa MMDA. Pero may mga bago doon, ginawa ng ibang ahensya, hindi tumatakbo, unusable, sayang naman. But for now, in our own little way, MMDA also is helping us to clear as many as we can ang mga drainage and all solid materials na nakabara sa tubo or culvert yata ang tawag ng iba ng aming puso. So makikita mo ayan, pag binubugahan yung higop, burak. Pag binugahan namin, burak din lalabas. It's true. I think that's the best way to do it. Just to accept may bara.
Yorme yung ganyang problem dito sa Taft Avenue or do we suspect other
I think, I suspect marami. In fact, I'm grateful that the 896 barangay followed the directives that I issued 2 weeks ago about declaring the respective community drainage. Ayun, nakatulong yun kasi maraming community naman although maraming community rin may baha. So, either way, this will help definitely mapababa ka agad sa lalong madaling panahon after na pagba yung tubig.
Mayor, so, ngayon just clarify, ano po, mas burak, hindi basura?
Burak. Sa awa ng Diyos, I mean, you can see the roads. Buti na lang. So, modesty aside, I would like to give commendation to DPS and engineering. And also with the help of MMD, nahakot namin yung basura about 3 weeks ago. In a short period of time. Anong nangyari, malamang lahat yan lumulutang ngayon. Makikita mo, baha sa Maynila, kahit saan ka magpunta, may makikita kang baha, pero wala kang makitang basura lumulutang. At nais ko rin pasalamatan ang mamamayan. Kasi yesterday, nakiusap ako sa mga taga-lungsod, nanawagan ako na huwag muna nilang ilabas yung basura nila na naipon sa loob ng bahay. Kasi yesterday talagang halos barko na ang magiging kailangan namin dahil ang lalalim ng tubig. But now, marami ng passable areas, babalik na yung regular collection. Kasi kung itatapon natin sa labas, babalik din sa atin yung basura natin dahil may baha pa. At mas matrabaho. Pero I am grateful for every Pilipinos. Generally, walang naglabas ng basura. Now, ang obligasyon ko ngayon, kunin ang mga basura nila sa kanilang bahay. Which we're going to do.
Mayor, currently meron po ba kayong naisip na initial plan kung paano po i-work out yung baka may long-term solution po?
The long-term solution is about the dredging of our creeks and riverbeds. The clogging o yung ating mga drainage system. That will have an immediate effect. The long-term plan is to continue to build, and hopefully they will build ano ko yung word, no? Catchment or catch basin. Kung saan we can store underneath our parks or roads maybe or areas open space na pwedeng i-pump out yung tubig doon sa mga catchment na yun. And the other thing is, of course, ayusin natin ang ating mga seawalls or river walls and canals with proper and functioning pumping station. I think. May ginagawa naman ng gobyerno. Kaya lamang, at least, sana hindi uminto. At sana, pag ginawa natin, para hindi naman masayang yung pera ng taong bayan, sana pag tinayo, gumagana. Ngayon, meron pa ng mga pumping station, hindi nakapower up. Can you imagine? Duduktong mo na lang sa Meralco. So, I think those agencies should sit down, talk to each other. Kami sa lokal naman, talagang meron na kaming master plan ng drainage that would cost us about hundreds of billions. It will not happen overnight, but that's our solution to the flooding. This will take time and resources, but with the help, of course, of the national government acting and building in unison, maybe the next generation, your grandsons and granddaughters, mga apo anak natin, will have a better metropolis, and that includes Manila. That's the way to do it. Nothing more.
Mayor, meron naman pang gusto sa declaration to yung state of Manila.
Maya konti, nagpa-issue ko ng special session, nag-request ako. But very optimistic naman yung mga kusya kasi marami ng mga barangay ang nagre-request ng declaration. So ginawa ko, nilagom na lang namin. Para na sila noon, magamit ng mga barangay officials ng tama yung kanilang calamity funds, ma-access nila at ma-augment, makatulong sa pangangailangan ng kanilang barangay on top of what the city will give, which we are doing and the national government is doing. So maibsan man lang yung economical challenges dulot itong bagyo to o habagat na to at yung paparating pang bagyo hopefully na sa kanilang kabuhayan at mga ari-arian na sila. And that also will help others, employees in the private sector to access loan facilities. And with our employees can now take loans with regard to like GSIS. Marami silang financial institution, mamamayang nagtatrabaho sa privado, mamamayang nagtatrabaho sa gobyerno sa atin because of the declaration of SARS.
Mayor, paulit na lang po.
Sure.
Pagkano po po yung inaasahan natin malalabas sa pag-declare?
Hindi pa natin alam. But we've been spending money since I think 3 days ago. Kasi pagkain sa ating social welfare, pagkain, hot meal and pagkain. And other resources na kinakailangan, na emergency kailangan namin. And we'll see. We'll come up with numbers later on. But for the meantime, whatever resources that we have to utilize it efficiently. Thank you sa inyo.